Hey, what's going on guys, it's Shade here, and JBL C100SI was the most rated headphones on the Amazon. As you can see, it has over 15,000 customer rating. So JBL decided to refresh this model with the JBL C200SI, which I have right here. So in this video we are going to unbox the JBL C200SI, see what we get in the box and put it to the real test in the real world. And we are also going to compare the JBL C200SI with the JBL C100SI, which I have right here. And we are also going to answer the question that is it the best headphone that you can get under 1,000 rupees. We bought this JBL C200SI from the Amazon. As you can see, this is the Amazon standard packaging. Inside the package there is the retail box of the JBL C200SI. The box looks pretty clean, and as you can see, the JBL C200SI headphones are sitting nicely in the package. These earphones do have the inline mic with a button to answer the calls and media control. Now let's quickly unbox the earphones. Now inside the box we get the JBL C200SI headphones itself, extra ear tips for precise fit, and user manual for noobs. That was very nippy zippy unboxing, but I want to know from you guys, do you like this quick unboxing style, or should I make a 10-minute long unboxing video? Hit the like button if you like this type of video, and let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on this. Let me clear this mess for you, and now we can move to the second part of the video where we will test out the JBL C200SI headphones in the real world. So let's roll this review by talking about the design of the JBL C200SI. The JBL C200SI earphones are designed like the traditional earphones. It's also very similar to the JBL C100SI design. Small earpieces fits easily into your ears without any complex procedure. They also don't stick out too much of the ears and are very less noticeable for all of you those stealthy people out there. The JBL C200SI are very lightweight headphones. These headphones weigh around 18 grams, and with the included comfy ear tips, these are very comfortable that you can easily listen to them all day long. But you shouldn't be doing that, as this will just make you deaf. So everybody have their own favorite color, and the JBL C200SI comes in 3 different colors: the Mystic Blue, Ice Grey, and the Gunmetal that I have right here. And this is not actually black in color as shown in the render, it's actually grey in color. But anyways, the build quality on JBL C200SI are great. These earphones are made to last long. The earpieces are made of very hard plastic material, which makes them one of the most durable earphones. And because of using plastic, this makes them very lightweight for all day usage. Now on the connections on the JBL C200SI, it connects via 3.5mm gold plated jack, which is hanging at the end of the 4 feet long soft touch tangle free cable. That was a mouthful of words. Just like the JBL C100SI, we do get the inline mic and very tactile button which can answer calls and also works as a media remote for play, pause and changing songs. Now speaking of inline mic, the quality of the inline mic is pretty good, as you can clearly hear me out on these. Now when it comes to actual sound of the JBL C200SI, I have to say that this is an awesome headphones. Coming from a background of using over-ear headphones from past couple of years, I do have to say that these are very nice pair of earphones that I have tested so far. I never really liked the in-ear earphone styles of listening, as they are always killing and burning the ears, but trying this out was a great experience for me. From bass to high frequencies were very pleasingly set it up. Both of the JBL C100SI and the JBL C200SI have a 9mm driver, but on the JBL C200SI the low end is much more clearer and high frequencies are very soft when compared to the JBL C100SI. This is the type of frequency response that I like to listen to, but some people might find that the high frequencies are less present. But hey, everyone have their own taste. So now when comparing JBL C200SI with the JBL C100SI, you will see some huge improvement in the clarity. The JBL C200SI are much more clearer, and the bass response on these are much more powerful than the JBL C100SI. Another major improvement from the JBL 100SI is the passive noise isolation. The JBL C200SI are designed to create much more tight fit into the ears, which creates a good isolation, and in result, you can easily enjoy your music without any outside disturbance. Also with this feature, you don't have to crank the volume very high for clear listening. On my Mac, I used to keep the volume levels around 5 to 6, and on my OnePlus 2, I used to keep the volume around 50%. So the JBL C200SI headphones are priced at 900 rupees and the JBL C100 are 800 rupees. So there is a 100 price difference, but there are always lightning deals going on Amazon on these products, and you can check out the links down below in the description to see the current price of these products. Now if you ask me the JBL C200SI are any better than the JBL C100SI, then I will definitely say yes, they are much more better than the JBL C100SI. The sound is much more clearer, the frequency response is awesome, and the bass response is much more powerful than the JBL C100SI. C200SI. Now if you're looking for headphones under 1000 rupees, then this will be the best option for you. But if you already have the JBL C100SI, then you will not see a huge improvement on these, as the difference is only noticeable when you listen to these side to the side. So I also bought the JBL Go Plus and the JBL 205BT wireless earphones. So unboxing or review on these are coming shortly. So consider subscribing to the channel, hit the like button if you're awesome, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.